I was sent this Bulgarian Rose Jelly Mask. This is the powder. You just mix it with water. It's really simple. I've used it once already and I did feel instantly tightened skin. So I'm excited to try it again and I'll do a demo for you guys as well. So I have some water already. I'm doing just a little tiny bit of water. You want to go 4 to 3. So 4 things of powder to 3 things of water. I'm just going to do a little bit and see what happens. The first time I did it, I didn't do it thick enough. So this time I want to make sure I have enough powder in there to make it nice and thick. So you're just supposed to dissolve it, probably not using your finger, but I am, until all the powder is dissolved. The thicker you make it, the easier it's going to be to peel off. So I'm trying to make it as thick as possible right now. It smells really good and you can see all the little pieces of rose petals in there too. Okay, that looks pretty thick. So let's apply. The girl in the picture has such a thick mask on and I haven't quite figured out how to get that consistency, but I'm trying. Regardless, even if you don't get it to be that thick, the result is that your skin will feel really good after. Okay, that's about as thick as I can put it on. Now I wait about 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll take it off. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I can definitely feel it drying on my face. We'll see how easy it is to peel off. Again, it never got that like thick jelly look. Definitely has a shiny look and does look kind of creepy, but we'll see here. So let's see if I can peel it at all. It's not letting me peel it at all, so maybe it's not dry enough. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and do that full 20 minute. Okay, it's been the 20 minutes. I'm trying to peel it off and it is definitely not coming off like one sheet or anything like that. Like I can get little clumps, but this could take a while. So I'm probably just gonna take a washcloth to my face, but I'm gonna try to get off as much as I can right now. So this is starting to just feel really messy and not ideal. Gotta say, use a washcloth to get it off. When I got it wet, it actually did start to peel a little bit, but it was so messy that just getting a hot water washcloth made it come off. So I will say, I love the results. My skin feels really tight and brighter and everything, but this was pretty messy and I didn't like how the picture showed that really thick jelly mask and then it looked like you could just peel it off in one sheet. And I just could not replicate those results no matter what I tried. Also, there's no directions here, but it did say online the water to powder ratio, and I even did more powder to make it thicker. I tried it the first time, I did it thinner, and that really didn't work either. So that's my honest review of it. My skin feels great, but it's definitely a little messier, and you may want to just have someone else apply it to you really thick and you lay down. Maybe that's the secret to it, but you will have good skin afterwards.